The COVID-19 crisis has brought us face to face with a universal truth. We are all vulnerable, yet our capacity to respond to it remains very diverse. We are in the same storm, but in different boats. Let's reflect on our current society. This crisis reveals already existing fractures and inequalities which are likely to increase.
We want to build a global society that relies on the universally acknowledged human rights. We strive to achieve the Agenda 2030, 17 Sustainable Development Goals leading to more justice, more empathy, and more solidarity. More solidarity between our regions, our countries, our governments, all citizens of the world. Everyone and everything is interconnected. Leaving no one behind, we want a world in which everyone can live in dignity and mutual respect.
This crisis has pushed us to adapt quickly. We proved we are able to change. A society without inequalities and injustice is possible. We have to engage ourselves. We, citizens, governments, corporations, have to take responsibility and contribute individually and collectively to build a fairer society worldwide. Let's pull the rope in the right direction, through our choices, our voices, and our actions.
Consume responsibly.
Stand up for gender equality.
Pass on your knowledge and skills.
Produce, reuse, recycle.
Listen carefully.
Support your local community.
Stop stereotypes.
Be inclusive.
Become a volunteer.
Educate yourself.
Speak up.
Get active.
As a global society, we depend on each other, so let us not forget the most vulnerable and take action. Let us make this change together, because